The decorators are in. Yeah, it's not a euphemism for something else. The decorators are painting the hallway, and while they're doing that, today, well, this flat is overloaded, to say the least. And the other day, I was trying to find this piece of paper that's going to a wet pallet, and it must have taken me 20 minutes to find it, because, well, I thought it'd be in that drawer, and then thought, oh, I guess it's in that drawer. Turned out it was in there. My art supplies are all over the place, and mostly that's the main culprit. That cupboard is just filled with things in like really odd places. So today the plan is to come up with a creative solution for the art supplies, like put them in logical places in the sensible places, so that in the future I won't know where anything is for the next 6 months. This is just her mess. This is all her toys. But now that we've done, now it makes a bit more sense. Tarot cards and label printer, sewing tapes, spray cans, things like that. This is now jewellery from the Flow Arts crocheting equipment, which I never got around to using. Cards for the channel. Junk drawer. It was 3 separate junk drawers. It's not junk, it's crafting stuff. It's things to make stuff with. Resin, pieces of wood, sticks, coffee stirrers, chopsticks, all of that stuff. On the bottom is all the camera equipment and stuff. Leads, wires, drones, cameras, GoPros. Mostly stuff for the out and about side. In here is all the paintings, the flow art paintings and so forth. An old pen tablet. Anyone on a pen tablet? There's still flow art all over the place. So there's all the paints there. I've now got this empty. This is cutting, ways of cutting. Knives, drills, blowtorch, everything like that. This is gluing. Green stuff, milliput, basing glue, Mod Podge, craft glue, PVA, gaffer tape, so forth. This is pens and a picture of me dressed as Two-Face. Pens, pencils, sketch pads, so forth. The paint that's not the miniatures paint, this is the acrylic pouring paint, more of the little acrylic paints, little pods. This is flocking. Some drawers are need to say very clearly and very carefully. And this is an empty drawer for the most part. It's got some pots in it and all of the leftover models that still need to be painted. Oil paints and palettes. Then this thing over here is still here. That's all the paintbrushes. That's tools. That's still sewing stuff. And then another empty drawer. I've got so many empty drawers. An empty shelf. I've got space. This is weird. Still got all the K-pop albums there, which will probably progress. And then that shelf is odds and teddies and things. And then there's the main teddies up there. I think this could move over there. 28. Maybe not. Ben gave me them. A huge bag of stones. That's amethyst. I don't know what that is. It looks like denim. They're random. think that's tiger's eye. That could be aventurine. That's quartz, rhodonite, labradorite, something like that. The green sparkly zeolite or something like that. I think this is pyrite. Is it pyrite? It's sparkly coloured. Anyone tell me what these rocks are in comments? Please do so. That's a bit of garnet. Are these rhodonite and labradorite? They're very goody-pickledy colours. What do you think? I never understand septum piercings. They don't make anybody look good. I don't think this would really suit me, would it? I don't know where he's. The problem is I'm sentimental. And someone gives me something, I'll keep it forever. Literally, Tora found a rock, like would have found that on the beach somewhere and gone, you got to take that home. And I will take it home and I will keep it forever. And I end up with this. This is not all of it. This is just the start, because I now got to find a space for 90,000 more pieces of rock that I've just been given. That's quite impressive. That's an entire cup full of amethyst. What the denim rock is. But this is quite cool, but I don't know where it is. And this is blue and green quartz. Going in the money pot. This is a bowl of money and gems, as suggested by Georgina Easterbrook of Earth and Crystals. Don't know if it works, because it attracts money. Looks pretty, and it uses the bowl that never got used. I don't like green, but of all the rocks and crystals that I've acquired, my favourite is a contradiction. I hate green, yet I love that. That's the only thing. It's malachite. Makes no sense. I hate green. Well, that is a lot of rock. So they're just rocks. They're found on beaches. These are reddish kind of things. There's some rose quartz and malachite and aventurine, and I'm calling green pyrite. I don't know what it is. Lapis, rhodonite, labradorite. What is that? I don't know what that is. What is that? And denim rock. Dead flowers and things. A homeless guy made me that in Liverpool Street. He just, without wanting anything, he just made it for me. So I've got it. I've had it for like 10 years. Flowers that have been given to me and they've just dried. They're going artistically placed. Well, there we go. I ended up being a shelf rearrange, as well as rearranging all of the creative cupboards and so forth. It's still as much of a mess as it was, but we're now here. I've just found a mushroom. See, don't know where that's come from. That's been donated somewhere. It's going on the floor. That's where it's going. It's going down there. 2 random bits. Filed that. Making creative solutions out of anything, really. Being creative in some weird way. Now you get to see my crafting stuff and how much stuff I seem to have acquired. My shelves are now somewhat more organised, which means I will never be able to find anything, and we'll get back onto the next project. So yeah, there we go. That's a creative solution to the mess that is my arts and craft supplies and my vast amounts of crystals and rocks and all of the previous projects and statues. This thing I think needs a new base, and it might be one of the things I'm going to do at some point, Scarlet, to make her a new base. That tapping is very annoying. If this was an entertaining video, do please give it a thumbs up. If you want to share it with somebody and go, that's a mess, I don't know why he's bothering, then please do so. If you want to leave comments down below, tell me some of these rocks, because I'm still a bit lost, and if you're a crystal aficionado, a geologist, Put your geology degree to good use, finally. 89% of people that do geology and get degrees in geology don't do geology. They work in offices and things, but they have a degree. Useless facts I'm full of. So yes, if you're a geologist and you know your rocks, then please do tell me what they all are. If you like these sort of random videos, as well as the making models and painting pictures and paintings and building things, breaking things, burning stuff, setting fire to things, melting things, poisoning myself, then you should come back next time and every time thereafter by hitting the subscribe button down there, and I shall see you next time. Until then, bye. Jog. But after that, I might actually remember. Hopefully, in 6 months' time, I'll have to have redone this anyway because I won't be here. Someone's sweets. Not this someone. Someone else. Just old things I've had forever and been given. Talking of being given, my neighbour turned up today and with that. It's a diamond art, but she hasn't sealed it. So the beads are coming off. So I've just poured Mod Podge all over it to try and seal it. When you see it, it's really cute. Frames, and that's the thing for doing the round beauty shots and that, you know, what's it called? The box.